Hello everyone, so in today's video it's all about exporting and importing applications. This is very useful when, for example, you want to create a new site and you want to have all your applications. If you have, I don't know, 100 applications, then the easiest way is to export what you have and re-import them. And I will show you how we can do it with PowerShell. I have prepared here a few applications. Some of them have multiple delivery groups, so this has only one, this has three. I have added some descriptions. For this one I also added a command line argument, so it will start my my YouTube page when you launch it. Okay, let's first try them out. So let me first try out two applications to see if they work, and after that we export, we delete them, and we re-import them. Okay, so apps, let's do a refresh. Okay, I have multiple apps. Yeah, I know why, because I have another site opened. Let me turn that off so that we do not see double. Where is it? DDC01. We can turn it off, or we can simply limit, but let's turn it off. Okay, close, don't save, close. Okay, just power off, shut down. Okay, so I powered off that other farm, and now if I refresh, I should only see the resources from one farm, the farm that is now up and running. Okay, much better. 4 apps, and here are 5. One is missing, I don't know why. Maybe I did not configure the visibility. Let me see. Paint, notepad. Yeah, I need to check that out. Nevertheless, today's subject is about something else. So let's test. Let's start the browser, and it should start with my YouTube page. Okay, start without, continue, reject. Okay, so it started directly with my web page, and let's start. I would like to start the command prompt. Why don't I see the command prompt? Let's see. So command prompt here. Let's see, properties, delivery, okay, location, okay, groups, okay, limit visibility. Okay, so that is limited. We found the problem. Now it should work, because now everyone that has access on the delivery group should also see the application. Let's go back and refresh. Okay, and now is the command prompt. Okay, let's give it a host name. Okay, so everything works fine. Let's close the applications, this one too, because this is the Citrix stuff. See, connection center. Okay, everything is closed. Okay, and now let's delete something. Let's first export, sorry. So we need to export. Where is my DDC? So this is the export PowerShell script. Let's just run it. It will go through all the applications and it will give you a summary. So 3 applications, all 3 have this common delivery group. An application has 2 and the other application has 3 delivery groups, and this is what we should see also when we import. If I go back on my studio, we should first let's try to delete this one. Let's try to delete the Microsoft Edge. So let's say by mistake you deleted an application, and because you made an export a few minutes ago, you can always revert if you have the PowerShell script ready. Let's go back to the PowerShell and let's execute the import script. The import script will check. So it is a smart script. It will check if applications that are exported. So I've exported everything. I forgot to say that I exported everything in a JSON file. So, and here are all the informations needed. So as you can see, the command line arguments, the delivery groups, everything that is needed to create the application itself. And the import PowerShell script just reads that JSON file. If the application already exists, it will not recreate it. So it's keeping everything that is already there, and it's just creating Microsoft Edge that was missing, and it gives you a summary. Now it also has an application update feature, but that doesn't really work. I need a little bit more time to fix that, but in most cases you will not need that, because you would probably just export and import the applications, or recover 1 or 2 if they are deleted. Okay, let's go back to our studio and let's hit the refresh, and we can see that Microsoft Edge is back. One thing also that it's missing from my PowerShell script, I do not export the icons. I don't even know how to export the icons and re-import them back. Nevertheless, for the functionality of the application, this is not important. Just for the users, probably if they do not see their icon, they will find the application. They will not find the application so easy, but yeah, an icon can be easily added manually. So let's take a look at our import. So it has re-added all the delivery groups. Let's go to properties, and it also has the command line argument. Let's test it. Now we will see if we refresh, the icon will change. Yeah, doesn't matter. We just want to test the functionality. it needs to work, not to be pretty. And we should get a new browser. Okay, let me reject. And yeah, so it started, and we can also check that in the connection center, and we see that we started Microsoft Edge. Okay, let's try to delete everything. So let's close. When you try, and let me show you, I had this issue. If your application is used, it's possible that you will get here an error if you try to delete it. Let's try to do that. So we understand. Let's go and delete. Yeah, so this is for you to know. If users are currently using your application, and you will get this error when you try to delete it without the users closing the application. Let me close it. Let me just refresh, and let's just let's delete now everything. Delete, yes, delete. No mercy on the applications. Okay, everything is removed. Let's go back on our DDC, and we will run the script one more time, because the JSON file, it's already there, so we have the app information. So let's just run it, and in a couple of seconds it has created all 5 applications. Let's go in our storefront. If we refresh, all icons will be the same, but yeah, the applications are there. Let's try to start one. We never started Paint. Let's see, can we paint something? Yeah, so it works. Let's also try, not this one. Come on, I wanted the command prompt. Nevertheless, it's very fast command prompt. Okay, block and hostname. Yeah, so it is what it's supposed to be. The only thing is that it is not pretty. So yeah, the icons have disappeared, but yeah, in emergency mode you can do this, and the users will be able to work, but they will not see their icons. You can change them afterwards. Okay, so this was it. Yeah, I need to work a little bit on the update, because I want to make it in case, for example, if I go into, let's refresh, if I go to Microsoft Edge here and go to properties and go to location, and for example I mistype here something, and then I save, or it is a very big link and I mistype something, I want to be able to revert to what it was also via a PowerShell script, but I need to work a little bit on that. For now it's fine, because it does the basic stuff. And yeah, one more important thing is that this the JSON output is not you can use it also on different farms, but the only thing that needs to match is the delivery group name. So the delivery group names need to match. If you want to change the delivery groups, then you just go on in the export file and just change it. So change it to anything you want. I mean, to a new delivery group that is configured on a new site. So nothing here is site related. the application will be created also on a different site with a different name, but the only thing that is important, of course, are the delivery groups. They need to match. If they don't match, then you will have an error. Oh, let's try that. Let's try to create an error. Command prompt. Let's do this. Let's add an 3 here. Let's save. Come on. I need to open as an admin. Notepad. Run as administrator. Yes. File open. It was in ctemp. All files because it's a JSON file. And let's mess up. So the command prompt, let's add a 2 here. It's fine. Save. Let's delete the command prompt. Okay, understand, delete. Okay, and then let's execute the script one more time. Okay. Okay, so as I told you, it searches for what it's there in the JSON file, but if it doesn't find it on your new site exactly like that, it will give you an error that it wasn't found. And let's add that manually. Just copy this, copy, paste. Okay, so it doesn't completely stop. Tells me that there were no errors. Let's see. Okay, and we have command prompt back. Let's also test it. Refresh. Apps. Command prompt. Block. Hostname. Okay, so it works even if you mess up something in the JSON file, but you have to add, you have to give the script an correct delivery group name, so it will list everything that is available in your farm, and you absolutely need to give it one of these delivery groups depending on your needs. Okay, thank you for watching. If you liked this type of video, please subscribe to my channel.